Good morning, my name is Lisa Munter and I received a research grant from the Alzheimer Society of Canada in May 2016, which I am and we are very happy about it. So I'm going to use this video to quickly tell you about the research that we are going to do during the next 2 years. We are investigating the connection of cholesterol metabolism and Alzheimer's disease. It is pretty well established that high cholesterol levels, especially during midlife, increase the risk for Alzheimer's disease later in life, and atherosclerosis, which is also caused by high cholesterol levels, is a common comorbidity in Alzheimer's disease as well. So there are plenty of epidemiological and genetic links connecting Alzheimer's disease and the cholesterol metabolism. However, often the detailed molecular connections or pathways are not really clear. So we learned from centenarian studies that have been conducted in the US that a certain protein called CETP might impact on healthy aging. So this CETP protein, when it's impaired, seems to promote longevity. People live longer, they have better cholesterol levels in the blood, and some studies indicate also that people with lower CETP activity are also protected from dementia. However, there's no research on the molecular level done with it, and this is what we like to fill in and what we would like to study in this grant. We have already some preliminary data indicating that CETP activity indeed increases the generation of amyloid beta peptides. Those are the peptides that cause the cells in the brain to die and cause Alzheimer's disease. So we want to investigate how CETP increases the amyloid generation, what are the cellular steps to increase amyloid production, and we want to investigate how CETP activity in the blood impacts on the cholesterol metabolism in the brain. So I think this research is particularly interesting because inhibitors or drugs that block CETP have already been developed for the treatment of cardiovascular disease, and we aim with this project to provide sufficient preclinical data to justify the investigation of CETP inhibitors in human clinical trials to investigate if those drugs could be utilized or repurposed for the treatment of Alzheimer's disease. Finally, I would like to thank the Alzheimer Society of Canada and all the donors to the Alzheimer Society of Canada. This grant and the research fund is a major resource in my lab, and it's really good support. I appreciate it very much. Without the Alzheimer Society of Canada, we wouldn't have done our preliminary data, and we wouldn't have done this project that's up and coming now. So I hope within a year or two I can have another short video telling you about the progress of this research project. Thank you very much. Bye.